All right, here we go with FIFO. Now, these we're getting into the ones that you're either going to love them or hate them because they're pretty straightforward. Not much is going to go around it. It's the conceptual understanding of it. Now, first in, first out, or FIFO, is probably one of the two most basic ones when it comes to companies using these. And as the name implies, the first ones that come in, we assume are the first ones that go out. They don't necessarily have to be. We don't care about physical inventory flow. We're talking about cost flow. So this is what we're doing is we're assuming that this is how they're going to flow as cost, but they don't necessarily have to match that. But first in, first out. Now, if you really want to get creative, you can add 4 new letters to that and make it a whole new word. And you can add LISH to it. Make it like FIFO-lish. Okay? And by that, what you're doing is you're saying first in, first out, but last in, still here. That's what LISH means. It's last in, still here. Meaning the last ones or the most recent ones you purchased are still in your warehouse. Okay? And so really what FIFO is dealing with is assumes that the costs flow in the order in which they're purchased. The first ones that I purchase are the first ones to leave when I sell them. And so conceptually, as the sales occur, FIFO charges cost of the earliest units, the first ones, acquired to COGS, the first ones to go out, leaving LISH, the last one still here, leaving the cost of the most recent purchases in the accounting inventory. So let's go back to our conceptual presentation, I guess, if you will, with Delta Company and their warehouse. Now, we still have January 1st, we still have April 15th, we have October 13th. And we still have that part where it says that we sold 29 units. But now that we're doing FIFO, I don't have to know where they come from. So I'm going to just cross that out. All I need to know is I sold 29 units. Okay? Because I'm going to make the assumption that we're using the FIFO method. So 29 units is the ones that I have to pull. I have to pull those out. So I have 9 units from January 1st. I'm going to pull all 9 of those out. Then I have, 26 units, April 15th. I'm only going to have to pull out a certain number of those. I'm only going to have to pull out, or I guess I'm going to pull out all of them. I can't do math right now. Okay? And then I get to the October 13th, and I'm going to only have to pull out a couple of those, or a few of those, I think. Yeah, there we go. So I only have to pull those out. But that's how we're going to do this, is that we pull from the first and work our way down until we hit that number 29, because that's how many we sold. So if you look outside of the warehouse, we still have 29. If you look inside the warehouse, that's how many we still have left. And so that's how you do FIFO. Thank you.